Hazrat Hud, عليه السلام, known as Prophet Hud in English, is an important figure in Islamic tradition. He is one of the prophets mentioned in the Quran, particularly in the chapter called Surah Hud. The story of Prophet Hud is significant because it carries moral lessons and warnings for humanity. Here is a summary of the story of Prophet Hud as recounted in Islamic tradition. Prophet Hud was sent by Allah to the people of Ad, who lived in the region of Ahqaf, believed to be located in present-day Yemen. The Ad people were known for their strength and technological advancement, but they became arrogant, disobedient, and indulged in idol worship, despite being warned by Hud about the consequences. Prophet, as their crops failed and water became scarce. Despite their hardships, they remained stubborn and refused to turn to Allah. Finally, when they persisted in their disbelief and defiance, Allah sent a devastating storm accompanied by powerful winds that destroyed their dwellings and wiped them out completely, except for those who believed in Hud's message and followed him. Prophet Hud and his followers were saved from the destruction, and the story serves as a reminder of the consequences of arrogance, disobedience to God, and the importance of sincere belief and obedience to divine guidance. The story of Prophet Hud is one of many narratives in the Quran that emphasize the themes of faith, obedience, and the consequences of disbelief. It serves as a moral lesson for believers, reminding them to heed the warnings of the prophets and to remain steadfast in their faith.